Negative income tax. I bet you didn't know that one. A tax that the government will pay you. Although not yet applicable in India, a negative income tax is a tax system where the government pays money to those individuals whose income is less than the taxable income. In simpler words, if the government collects tax from people with income above 5 lakhs, then those that are earning less than 5 lakhs, the government gives them free money because they are earning less. For instance, someone's annual income is 3 lakhs and taxable income is 5 lakhs, it infers that this person is earning 2 lakhs less than the taxable income. Now, out of these 2 lakhs, the government will pay 50% to that individual under the negative income tax system. The main purpose of this tax system is to help low-income earners with money instead of taxing them. This tax system is quite famous in foreign countries, but in India, negative income tax is still not available. If you think India should have a system like negative income tax, then type NIT in the comments.